Hi cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a Alolan Vulpix from Pokemon. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw this Vulpix, we're going to first start by drawing the tuft of fur on top of its head. So I'm just going to start right here and swirl. Go around nice and soft. Big swirl, and then we're going to start to build kind of like a cloud. So we're going to come about right here. Start building. One. So this is going to be our center, so it's going to be the lowest point, and I'm just going to start building up. And so let's come back down here, say maybe about right here. Just build another curve up. And then let's start right here. And let's see here, maybe right here, we'll just go ahead and connect it. Put in another swirl. So something like that. It doesn't have to look exactly like that, but you just want a nice soft cloud on the top. There. So then from there, we're going to come to the sides right here. And so let's start about right here. A little bit bigger. And I'm just going to start, this is the inside of the ear. So I'll come about right here and draw two little tufts. One, two, a shorter one. And same thing on this side. So about the same area, about right there. One and two. So now from there, we're going to come right here and start connecting the face. So about right here, I'll start a curve on both sides. So nicely centered. And let's start to connect it. So go around. And connect it towards the bottom. There. So that's the shape you're aiming to get. And from there, since then we're up here, let's finish the ear. So we're going to come to this little corner right here and curve up. So this is just the inside of the ear. And then we're going to come right back down to this area. So then let's make it a little bit fatter right here. And draw the outside and down. So same thing over here. We're going to start right here in this little corner area and go up and come right back down, just like the other side. And about that area, about right here. Make sure about right there and come back down. There, we have the ears in now. So now let's bring this Vulpix to life. I'm going to come towards the bottom area right here in the center, and I'm just going to draw a tiny little nose. So about right here in the center. Just color in a little triangle. And from this point, I'm going to come up just a little bit, say about right here, and I'm going to draw the eyes. So it's going to be big curve, big eyes towards the top, and come down. And about right here, I'll just round it off like a little teardrop shape and bring it back in. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So this is our point, so about right here. And let's go all the way up once again. So just drag your point, so about right here. And towards the edge and round it off and connect. There. So then from there, before I'm not going to color it in black because there's these beautiful blues in there. Just come about right here and draw oval for a highlight, and then once you color it, you can add in the blues. It's about right here. Add another oval. Okay, so then now the mouth. I'm just going to come right under the nose and give our Vulpix a smile and cap it off. There. Looks really weird, right? But once you color in, it'll look really pretty. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the body. I'm going to come, say about right here. Just give myself 2 points, some centering. And from there, I'm going to start to come down and out. Out. And let's bring it down more. So we're widening it out for the bottom now. Before we finish, let's come about in this area right here. We're going to draw the front legs. So about right here. 2 curves aiming towards the center. So this one, just going to go ahead and curve it. Same thing right there, about there. And come about right here and connect it. So same thing over here. And up. And you come right in here and just 2 little curves. And just connect it, little line. And then let's finish this part off. Just round it off and tuck it right underneath. So same thing over here. Round it off and tuck it right under. There. Okay, so now to draw the beautiful fluffy tail, let's come about right here. And I'm just going to start with one nice big curve. Twirl it. So then I'm just going to start building right here. So I'm going to go 1, maybe a bigger one, and then a smaller one. So we're just aiming to build a round shape. So then you can come in here, add some detail, finish it off. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So about right where we start on the other side, and come out. Once again with a curve. And right there, 1, and then a bigger one. And tuck it right back in. And once again, some details in here just to finish it off. So there, I hope you guys love this cute little Pokemon drawing. And I think this little Vulpix here is sometimes called Snowy, right? I hope I got that right. Thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.